Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in diamond black crystal pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, gunmetal headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 20-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, power folding multifunction mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, leather-wrapped instrument panel and center armrest, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5453.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.